Hi, and thank you for tuning in. I'm Jamie Sholem.
And I'm Ethan Sholem, and we're with Senior Star Insurance Group. We are licensed agents and our focus is Medicare. We want to go over an important aspect of Medicare that sometimes gets people in trouble: Medicare late enrollment penalties.
Late enrollment penalties, or LEPs, are additional costs that Medicare beneficiaries may face if they don't have creditable health coverage in place and don't sign up for certain parts of Medicare when they're first eligible. For an insurance plan to be considered creditable, it must provide at least the same level of benefits as offered by Medicare, which safeguards against potential out-of-pocket costs for essential healthcare needs and medications.
These penalties can significantly impact your Medicare costs and coverage options over time. For example, if you're eligible for Medicare and you don't have creditable health insurance by an employer, union, retirement plan, public sector, or some other form of insurance, you may be faced with a late enrollment penalty for Part B of Medicare, which is the part that deals with outpatient medical care.
That penalty is 10% of your standard Part B premium, which for most of you is $174.70 a month. For each 12-month period, you could have had Part B but didn't. In other words, if you weren't enrolled in Part B for 2 years when you could have been, you would have a penalty of $34.94 every month on top of the $174.70 you already have to pay. And that 20% penalty, it never goes away. It'll be with you for the rest of the time you're on Medicare.
It's similar for your Part D prescription drug plan as well. Neglecting to enroll in time without other creditable drug coverage could result in a late enrollment penalty of 1% of the national base drug plan premium every month you were eligible but didn't enroll. These penalties can add up over time and may result in higher premiums, and remember, they never go away.
So, to avoid late enrollment penalties, it's essential to understand if you want to keep your current coverage compared to your Medicare options, and whether or not that coverage is creditable. In other words, to make the most informed decision, you also need to know what enrollment periods are available to you.
If you have questions about these late enrollment penalties or need assistance navigating your Medicare options, don't hesitate to reach out to us at Senior Star Insurance Group. We'd be more than happy to discuss your specific circumstances and educate you on how you can avoid any unnecessary costs and make informed decisions about your healthcare coverage.